Hey guys, back here with this 16 Limited 3500. So yeah, this one comes with the 6.7 liter turbo diesel. It also comes equipped with the Aisin heavy duty transmission, which you can tow up to 33,000 pounds, which is absolutely astronomical for towing numbers for sure. Looking at the front of this truck, it's got the beautiful appointed chrome grille. It's got the projector headlights, LED signal lights, and fog lights. It's got your tow hooks. This truck has all your parking sensors front and back, so if you get close to anything, it's going to beep for you. It's good for backing into certain stalls and tight spaces. This has the nice upgraded hand kook tires with the upgraded wheel package. Comes with lots of nice accessories, mud flaps, side steps, and yeah, it's got the signal light mirrors, also the tow mirrors, which is an awesome option to have. You can see everything when you're towing everything in the back. The paint's absolutely beautiful on this truck. No scratches, dings, or dents. It's a one-owner vehicle, clean Carfax. Got the Ram cargo management system, which is awesome. Put all your goodies in here, whatever it may be, tools, rifles. You can use it as a cooler for ice and beer if you wanted to. It's lockable, drainable. Yeah, very nice option. Not all the vehicles have it. Looking towards the back, we got LED signal lamps. We got the step up, I don't know what this is called, the thing that helps you step up in it, which is nice. It's got a backup camera, rear sensors again, tonneau cover from the previous owner. Nice feature, keeps everything clean and dry and secure. Opening this box, we got a spray-in box liner. So that'll keep it good for many, many years to come. So no scratches and stuff. It's got the fifth wheel gooseneck prep tow group. And it also has a 20,000 pound hitch already pre-installed that comes with this unit, so you can save big money there. This truck is ready to rock and roll if you have a trailer or fifth wheel. And yeah, click on the next video. Let's check out the interior of this beautiful truck. Looking inside the interior of this beautiful 3500, we got lots of space. It's very spacious. The Limited, it's got a beautifully appointed interior. It's got the black headliner, black leather seats, keeps everything nice and clean, easy to maintain. Comes with these beautiful Limited floor mats that only come in the Limited, which is nice. And underneath the floor mats, you got your traditional Ram cargo bins, the Ram bins here. These come out, you can wash for easy washing and stuff, so you can put a bunch of stuff in there. Let's put this mat back. Beautifully pointed interior. It's got the beautiful stitching. It's kind of like a dark mahogany black wood theme here as well. You got your nice little back storage pockets with the buckles, which is a nice touch. Also a big feature here is the rears have heated seats, so all your passengers in the back can have warm tushies in the winter. Going to the front of the vehicle, it's a fully loaded interior. We got memory seats, which most trucks don't have, surprisingly. Power seats, power locks, mirrors, power folding mirrors as well for those tight spots. Heated front seats, air conditioned seats as well. Power adjustable pedals, automatic headlights, which is a nice feature. Let's turn this on here. It's got the 7-inch cluster display where your speedometer is, and it tells you all your information on there. Tire pressures, oil temperatures, everything you name it, range. Looking over at the main cluster, you've got the 8.4-inch touchscreen, so you can control your heated seats, your air-conditioned seats. It's also got a heated wheel. Very, very nice feature to have for winter. If you have one, you'll never go back. You can touch this backup camera sensor, and oh, that's not working there. It's got to have to be started. But anyways, you can look at your backup camera and see your hitch when you're loading up or towing anything. Looking down here, you have a built-in trailer brake controller, and when you squeeze it, the information goes to your main screen, percentage of your braking as well, which is a nice feature. Traction control, tow haul mode. It's got a exhaust brake, which is awesome. And then over here you have your switch from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive low and 4-wheel drive lock, so you can have that true 4x4. We got a plug-in here, an AC plug-in if you ever want to blow dry your hair in the summer or whatever, what have you. Traditional Ram dual glove boxes, so tons and tons and tons of storage. And if that's not enough, we got a center console here with all your nice USB connectors, SD card auxiliary, another USB connector, coin slot, an area to put some stuff here, and then the second level goes a lot deeper. So this can be your junk drawer away from home, which is nice. Tons of storage. Yeah, and then also a CD player here. You don't see that very much coming into the newer vehicles. So if you still like to listen to your CDs, you still can. Like I said, this model has a sunroof, which is a nice touch. Up here, you got your home link system, so you can program up to 3 garage doors, and then your power sliding window switch, so Fido can get some air when he's back there. Yeah, so this truck comes pretty loaded, guys. If you want to come down, come check us out, 1155 St. Albert Trail, or give us a shout at 780-458-8660. Thanks.